The second part of this is asking us to write a factored equation based on the graph. So we're going to write our polynomial equation, f of x. I know that from my zeros, I have a 0 of 3 and a 0 of negative 4. My factors based on those zeros are going to be x minus 3 and x plus 4. Now it also mentions in the problem that you need to go to the lowest degree possible. Okay, so I know that 3 is even, and the lowest even degree is going to be 2. And I also know that negative 4 is odd, and the lowest odd is 1. The last part, okay, this gives me my two zeros, a bounce and a cross. The last part is the end behavior. So I need to put a negative 1 or a positive 1, and that's going to change my end behavior. And if you look at your graph here, it falls to the left and it rises to the right. So let's think of our basic example that falls to the left and rises to the right. And if you look right here, what graph do we know that falls to the left and rises to the right? Well, that's the graph of a positive x to the third. Okay, so I do need a positive 1 in front here, not a negative 1, positive 1. So there is a plus 1 here. We're not going to write it in our answer. So a factored equation based on the graph is f of x equals x minus 3 squared times x plus 4. Okay, and it's positive. I don't need to put a negative 1 in front.